has seen these images ever before. Your understanding of reality is about to change, and your horizon is going to expand as you join this eggspedition. Let's land and discover. Let's blow your mind. You will never look at eggs the same way after this journey. A small step for humankind with a giant significance. We are on the shell of an egg. This landscape was shot with a sophisticated scanning electron microscope. Nano-science enlarges the experience. At H&N, we look closely at every detail of our procedures to constantly improve key performance indicators. Shell strength is one of them. Our birds produce eggs of unparalleled shell strengths, unrivaled on the global market. Because no matter how big and tasty the eggs, they can only be sold if they are sellable. Since it's the end customer who makes the choice, it must only be the end customer who breaks the shell. This product packaging is a miracle of nature, a protective, supportive, life-saving capsule. Whether you're in the brown or white market, H&N gives you perfection in shape and strength. We pay attention to every detail throughout your supply chains. Because salability matters. The best container protects the best content. H&N protects your business from falling short on results. We offer you a robust safety net, industry-leading genetic potential, birds that adapt to any conditions you want, sellable eggs, and additional safety with our services and support package. Such perfection protects your profit from the point of laying to the end customer. Our world is oval. We are the most customer-centered genetics company. H&N, making your success the center of our universe.